Hi, I'm Terry Powell. I'm the new president of the Utah Masonry Council. I'm excited to be here and been in this industry my entire life. I've been in it so long that one of my nieces, once telling the story of the three little pigs, tells of how the third little pig built his house out of Grandpa's blocks.
My name is Gary Buxton. I'm a third-generation masonry contractor. I actually began laying brick under the tutelage of my father when I was 10 years old. I felt a great sense of accomplishment, and as I did this as a young man, thinking this is something I really wanted to do, and it brought a lot of self-worth to me as I created something with my hands, and it was there forever to look at.
I'm Alan Johnson, president of IMS Masonry, and I am involved in our trade, loving it, creating buildings for the future.
Utah Masonry Council was started to unify a fragmented industry. We realized as block producers, brick producers, and mason contractors that we were all vying for the same market and we were all the same industry. And yet we were fighting for that competition for the attention of the architects. By our relationships with one another and with our relationships with architects, we unify in educating and promoting our industry.
When I first became a member of the Utah Masonry Council, it was probably in their inception. I just felt a really great feeling of camaraderie, first of all, with my competitors, which I felt was really important because typically in businesses you've heard the word dog eat dog and we're all out there low bid, but that's not really the case.
The Masonry Council is there to promote and educate, to come with educated contractors to deliver the beauty that masonry is.
Let me give you an example. Years ago, there was an engineer who was responsible for the sound walls to be built in the state of Utah. Because of a bad experience he had as a youth, as a tender for a mason, he would not design with masonry walls. He decided to build these all out of other material that we could have benefited greatly from and would have had beautiful sound walls as a result of. This follow-on effect has impacted all of us.
The Utah Masonry Council brings all kinds of benefits. The biggest one is the connection of our industry united to growth in masonry. Leadership opportunities, educational opportunities, networking, discounts on workers' comp, opportunities to meet architects, engineers, you get recognition for your work through our awards programs.
When we meet together as Masonry Council along with owners and engineers at our Excellence in Masonry Award Center, we see pictures of masonry projects that have been designed and built over that particular year. As I look at those pictures, I see some absolutely incredible, beautiful, aesthetically beautiful buildings built out of different products in masonry, whether it be in brick, clay, rock, stone, block, textures, colors, that are just absolutely amazing, that make me feel so proud that this is I'm a part of this industry. And the fact that the engineers are now taking hold of this as well and seeing the benefits of their projects.
As president of the Utah Masonry Council, I've seen projects all over this country I admire, but I always am glad to come home to Utah to see the craftsmanship and the attention to detail that goes on here in this great state. You guys do a fantastic job to make our masonry industry proud, and I'm proud to be a part of this industry and glad to be here with you and to work with you in this industry to move it forward.
You know, over the years, I've been in business 40 years, and over the years I've seen a lot of alternative or different products come available to cut costs or to make things more efficient. But I've seen them come and go. Masonry stands the test of time.
Those people out here that are not members, you should become a member today. The value that you will get through networking, through the relationships, through the education and the promotion that others around you are doing benefit us all as an industry. Give to your industry. Stand with us united.
It takes working together for this industry to move forward. We need each of us with our eyes and ears wide open to watch out for those things that are going to hamper and destroy our industry and either through ordinances or codes make it impossible to work with masonry. We have, through the Utah Masonry Council, have provided that safety and security for you. And we need you to join us in this effort to keep this industry strong and to watch out and preserve and protect it for the future.